Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you how to make a banoffee pie. I love banoffee pie. This dessert originated from England and it has a graham cracker crust, dulce de leche, bananas, whipped cream and chocolate. Sounds like a lot, but it's just so easy. It is so delicious, very easy to make, and I know you will love it. Before we move on, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like my videos, give me a comment. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, we're gonna get started making our graham cracker crust. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my graham crackers in a Ziploc bag and I'm going to bash it up with a rolling pin, or you can use a pan, and I'm gonna crush it until it is nice and small crumbs. And after that, we're going to go ahead and add some melted butter and mix it all together until it has the consistency of wet sand. Once it has the consistency of wet sand, we're going to go ahead and put it into this tart pan. You can use a pie plate, but I'm using this tart pan. It is 9 inches, and I'm going to press it down. Make sure to cover the bottom and the sides. And once you do that, you're going to place it into the fridge until you're ready to use it. In a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add some heavy cream and some powdered sugar, and just going to whip it up together until it's whipped cream, like stiff peaks. And we're going to place it into the fridge until you're ready to use it. So now I'm just going to take my crust out of the fridge and I'm going to go ahead and spread the dulce de leche. Once you spread the dulce de leche, you're going to go ahead and add a layer of sliced bananas. Once you add your bananas, you're going to go ahead and add the whipped cream on top and spread everything. I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap and I'm going to place it into the fridge for 2.5 hours to 3 hours until everything is nice and set. So my banoffee pie was in the fridge for 3 hours and this is how it looked. And I'm just going to grate some chocolate on top, and there you have it. It is so delicious. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for banoffee pie. It is so simple, as you see. The recipe will be in the description box, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.